50 years of decisions saying that this is part of our law, that this is part of the fabric of women's existence in this country.
If you think that the issue is one of choice, that women should have a choice to terminate their pregnancy, why would 15 weeks be an inappropriate line?
The Supreme Court is set to decide whether to overrule one of its most historic decisions. Justices heard arguments yesterday over a Mississippi law that bans abortion after 15 weeks of pregnancy. It's the most significant challenge to Roe v. Wade in decades. Roe v. Wade protects abortion as a constitutional right until a fetus develops enough to live outside the womb, which is about 24 to 28 weeks. I spoke with Dr. Denise Nation. She's a Winston-Salem State University associate professor and chair of the Department of History, Politics, and Social Justice.
The Supreme Court, their job is to really basically interpret the Constitution, right? And so privacy in 1800 and privacy in 2021 is the same definition.
Dr. Nation says this is a huge deal because it will set the precedent for other states and could lead to conservative-leaning states banning all or almost all abortions. She believes politics shouldn't play a role in protections laid out in the Constitution.
It's not about the weeks, it's about the ultimate freedom. The ultimate freedom embedded in the 14th Amendment has nothing to do with weeks.
A decision is expected from the Supreme Court in June. Until then, we'll keep you updated on air and online. Now, back here in North Carolina this summer, a federal appeals court refused to reinstate the ban on most abortions after the 20th week of pregnancy. Dr. Nation says it's very likely the Supreme Court's decision with the Mississippi law, though, could change things here.